Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are making stitch braids today, and I'm using my Vivid Tab braiding gel and my rat's tail comb and also my cotton comb. So this is our mannequin head that we're going to be using for this tutorial rather. So first I'm going to be sectioning the hair and then bringing out the parts that I'll be braiding on, and I did that with my rat tail comb. So I'm making sure there's no excess hair that will be disturbing me while I'm braiding. So I applied my braiding gel on both sides, and I'm going to divide this into three parts. Then I will start braiding. I will hold it and then start braiding it. Just see the way I'm doing it. I think with this step you should be able to braid by yourself. If you don't understand, keep watching the video and you will get to understand it, and you can also braid by yourself. So guys, if this is your first time of coming across my channel, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you at the end of the video. if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head. So guys, we are done with the first braid, and this is another one. We're going to be starting another one, so make sure that we get it perfectly. But on this one, I'm going to be adding extension to it, so I'm going to be showing you how you can add extension to your stitch corn rows. Okay, so let's go again. The same procedure that I did in the first corn row is the same thing I'm going to be doing here. The only difference is that I am adding extension to it. So guys, relax and enjoy the video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you are waiting for. Subscriptions are free. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share these videos so that others can see it also and benefit from it. So guys, thank you for your subscription in advance, and I will see you on my next video. Enjoy. Bye. Dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt, never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm, I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string, you don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings, you don't ever wanna set me free. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you're